Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from Marullo Nail Co. So we're jumping right into this mani today, and we're using the gel method, and we're going to start out by using Snow Bunny. This is going to be the nail that we're going to be applying a decal to. It's going to be like a floral decal. It's super pretty, and I love Snow Bunny. It's like the perfect white, and it has the most beautiful shimmer to it, and it's such a delicate white, and the shimmer is very subtle. So if you really like whites, this is going to be your jam right here. So we're going to do 2 coats here, and then I'm going to cure in between for 30 seconds here. But check it out, it's great full coverage, and it just has the most beautiful sparkle. Then we're going to start off with Love Story, which is a gorgeous purple, and then we're going to dive into a really fun dip powder called Resting Beach Face. I love that name so much, and I love the color. It's a very fun textured matte glitter. It's super fun. You're going to see it here in action in just a little bit, but let's dive right into this mani, and then I'm going to pop back in just a little bit.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the roads and end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the roads and end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Now that we dipped all the nails, I'm going to go ahead and do a layer of gel base. You're going to see me jumping around. I'm not going to go in order. I like to do the solids first, and then I'll go ahead and do that matte glitter. I do this with any glitters as well, just to make sure I'm not getting any glitter on those solid colors. If you end up getting any pigment or glitters on your brush, you can gently wipe it off with a paper towel, and then we're going to cure that for 30 seconds. After it's cured, I went ahead and placed that decal there for the accent nail in room temperature water for about 20 seconds, and I'm gently going to remove that back paper off that decal, and then we're going to apply it to the nail here. This decal, it's so pretty. It has all different colors in it, but I feel like it really ties in that beautiful purple and blue that we used. Now, Resting Beach Face has like these fine glitters of teal and purple, and I just felt like it pulled in all these colors on the decal, and then we have an extra pop of color with that yellow and pink. So now I'm taking this flat brush with a little bit of acetone, and I'm just removing any extra decal that may be hanging over that nail, and then any air bubbles or lines that may be on the top of that decal, I'm just going ahead and gently flattening out that decal to ensure that that decal is laying super flat. And then to seal in that decal again, I'm going in with another layer of gel base, and I'm curing that for 30 seconds. And then we're going to finish up with top coat and cure for 60 seconds. I'm going to do the rest of the top coat off camera, but here's the finished mani. I love it so much. These colors are everything, and I really like Love Story. It's like the perfect, it's a darker side of purple, but yet not too dark, so it's kind of like we're in this middle of summer and and autumn transition, and I just love these colors so much. And Resting Beach Face is amazing. It is by far the most funnest textured glitter ever. Very easy to work with, and it just gives that nail some dimension. And it just really is unique, and I love it so much. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next upload.